Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for our live webinar where we will help you understand BigCommerce B2B Edition. My name is Ibrahim Shabir, and I will be presenting today's webinar along with my colleagues. And if you have any questions or have trouble hearing or viewing the webinar at any point in time, please let us know in the question window. You can also post your questions or any comments in the same window anytime during the presentation. We have a dedicated slot to answer all your questions towards the end of the presentation. Now, I would like to introduce Pooja Naik, who is the lead business analyst at Royal Cyber. We also have Ashish Luthra, who is going to be speaking today. He is our technical lead for BigCommerce at Royal Cyber. Now, I would start off with the agenda of the call. Uh, I would start with a quick overview about Royal Cyber, the business needs and challenges, how BigCommerce solves the problems of big B2B, benefits of B2B Edition, how RC can help you with your business growth, a quick demo about a B2B Edition, and B2B Edition solutions and features. Now, let's start off with a brief introduction about Royal Cyber and who we are. We are an IT consultancy and digital transformation company specializing in services, solutions, and software. We have been innovating since 2002, and over 1,000 employees have been served with 600 plus happy customers worldwide. Across the globe, Royal Cyber provides reliable and high performing solutions and services in commerce cloud, analytics, mobile AI, and middleware integration. Headquartered in Naperville, Illinois, we have offices located in different parts of the world, which includes Canada, Mexico, Australia, UK, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, with delivery centers located in India and Pakistan. We design strategies to modernize, expand, build value, delivering impactful journeys for our clients and creating 360-degree values across their digital transformation journey. We have over 20 plus years of experience. We have around 1,200 plus employees which are present on site and offshore globally, around 500 plus certified consultants with over 30 plus big commerce consultants, 10 plus offices operating globally in 5 continents, and we have around 600 plus customers as I spoke before. Awards and recognition. We've got awards which are recognized all over the globe. We are partners with major technology companies, which includes IBM, AWS, Microsoft, Magento, SAP Hybris, ServiceNow, BigCommerce, to name a few. If I talk about our associations, from BigCommerce, SAP Hybris, Salesforce, HCL, Adobe, Magento, Vtex, Microsoft, Atlassian, Mobify, InRiver, Focus, Automation Anywhere. I mean, all of the major technologies that are out there, we've been partnering with them, growing their account, and trying to ensure we provide the best ever services for our customers. If I talk specifically about BigCommerce, as a certified BigCommerce partner, we can transform and improve your website's performance and outlook as per your desired results. Our BigCommerce B2B, multi-storefront, and smooth migration capabilities allows e-commerce website to augment revenue, digitally transform, and hike up conversion rate by 35%. We would also love to assist you in providing you with free discovery sessions where you can test your site's capabilities on BigCommerce. We would touch base upon the clients that we have served on BigCommerce so that you can get more idea on our capabilities and how we can help you further. If I talk about our customers on B2B and B2C commerce, we have Omega, Fletcher Building, Rent a Center, West Marine, Moose Jaw, Augusta Sportswear, uh, BMTC, Laminex, Follett, ANF, David's Prider, TradeLink, L'Oreal, Office Brands, Copel. And most of these customers have been with us for over 5 plus years. And we've been serving them with our best knowledge and best expertise. And that's what we plan to do with with your account as well. If I talk about Royal Cyber Awards and client recognition, we are the best and brightest companies to work for in the nation for 2020. We've got Chicago's best and brightest companies to work for in 2020 as well. Bronze Stevie winner in 2020. Top cloud consulting company is what we were awarded in 2020. We got the CIO awards in New Zealand, Best Design Awards finalists uh, uh, for 2017. That's how we try to make sure that we provide best services, and our recognition speaks volume of our capabilities. For business needs and challenges, I would like Pooja Naik to start off with the webinar further. She will proceed along with Ashish Luthra. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Ibrahim. So let's start with business needs and challenges. Let's understand what exactly are the business needs and challenges for B2B. These are just few of the problems that B2B businesses confront. Getting B2B use cases to work on an e-commerce platform is expensive, which makes releasing different storefronts more difficult. Because of its scalability and ease of connection with BigCommerce's own B2B and multi-storefront capabilities, businesses can lower their total cost of ownership in half by using the BigCommerce platform. Let's talk about the statistics. We all know that business to business is a booming market with a lot of potential for all of us. As a baseline, the bar chart depicts the IDC e-commerce platform spend. B2B is increasing at a quicker rate than B2C with a projected growth rate of over 42% in next 5 years. Almost 75% of the shoppers want a comparable experience when shopping on B2B site as they would on B2C site. B2B purchases expectations are rising thanks to increasing the superior digital experiences in B2C market, new generations working in B2B organizations, and spreading effect of COVID-19. Fast, simple experience that meets the openness required for customization, scaling, as well as the power to handle B2B commerce. How BigCommerce B2B Edition solves problems and of businesses. Let's understand first what is BigCommerce B2B Edition. It is a packaged offering of the BigCommerce Enterprise Plan and Bundle B2B, one of our technology app partners, all under one seamless contract. What is the objective of B2B Edition? It gives you the power to fuel B2B e-commerce and the speed to modernize it. BigCommerce is a viable option for the wholesale businesses, even large size ones. B2B add-ons of features to the standard one. What are the risks and challenges? These are the basic risks and challenges any merchants nowadays face. Management of multiple sellers on the platform, handling of high bulk shipments, long and complex B2B buying process required by many decision makers, maintenance of customer relationship, managing credit line request form, and many more. What would be the success criteria? Exceed the expectations of today's shopper. More features that will assist you in increasing your sales, excellent service and outstanding outcomes, support larger catalogs, pricing segmentation, inventory support up to SKU along with easy pre-built, one-click integration for major ERPs, OMS, and CRM system. What are benefits of B2B Edition? These are some of the common benefits. On the top of that, you have different user-friendly storefronts. BigCommerce is one of the leading open SaaS platform for faster loading websites. It has numerous integrations from the library. It has well-managed product inventory. There is no transaction fee. Great SEO features. BigCommerce platform provides both B2B and B2C under one unified solution. Customer group discounts are there. Price lists are there. Basic custom pricing and discounts are there. Print shipping labels with shipping feature. Paid B2B application suite. Lower cost of ownership, highly flexible APIs, and many more to know about. These are some of the BigCommerce's B2B Edition features. I'll be talking about this in detail in next slides. Okay, so let's just understand the bundle B2B and BigCommerce integration overview. Before I jump onto the front-end experience and log in as a B2B customer, I would like to show some relationship between bundle B2B and BigCommerce customer groups, individual groups. Within that customer groups, different bundle B2B roles. a different payment method visibility, and address books. These are the settings that are getting used from bundle B2B to check out for each business user placing an order, which also includes super admin who is placing an order on behalf of company. Let's talk about super admins now. Here you can see at the seller side, we can have sales staff role, sales representative role that can only see the codes and orders of the companies that's based on that requirement. Sales representative can also be set up as super admin, which is at a different role for front end, not for back end, where he can masquerade on behalf of different companies. So super admin roles goes hand in hand in masquerading with view to a website as particular B2B customer.
Let's just start with demo today. So I will be covering two aspects as a part of demo today. B2B customer account management and all ordering tools. Let's just understand what customer account management comprises of. It has three major functionalities that include sales representative or account manager views, wholesale and company account management, and user management. Merchants can effortlessly manage all of their B2B customer accounts and pricing from one handy location. Bundle B2B can automate the approval process for B2B customer accounts and personalize material based on the logged in customer. BigCommerce customers, groups, and price lists are also effortlessly linked with each feature. What are the benefits of customer account management? Best optimized pricing strategy. It can save your time on manual operation. It gives good personalized experience for customer, better marketing strategy. Merchants can manage company address book management, payment visibility, manage corporate account and set up multiple tiers of buyers who have specific roles and permissions, and many more. So I'll jump onto the backend and storefront experience now. Let's just understand what all functionalities super admin can perform as a part of B2B Edition. Here I have logged in as a super admin. Here you can see I have three different company accounts. I can see the super admin information along with super admin name, email, and the number of companies he's tied up with. I can quickly see the orders that I have placed here. Now, if I want to masquerade any individual account, I can go in dashboard and can select the company account for masquerading and start masquerading. I don't need to log in with that company account again, and I can do all that from here itself. Now here, I'll start masquerading for the accounts. I'll just choose the third account and I'll click on begin masquerade. So with the help of this functionality, I will simply jump onto that company account for which I am the super admin. Under this, you can see different shopping lists you have created for that particular company. Here, I can see the list of shopping list, and you can also create the new shopping list for that particular company account. Going back to buy again. In buy again, you can see the list of products that you have bought before, and you can go ahead and buy those products again. Coming back to user management. In user management, you will see the list of users the company is having over here. I can act as an admin over here, and I can go ahead and place the orders whatever I want. Another good part here as a super admin is that you can toggle between different accounts on here in dashboard. I can start masquerading with any other account from here and start seeing all functionalities like shopping list, user management, codes, etc. And these are all masquerading functionalities. By clicking on end masquerade, I can simply stop masquerading for this particular company, and I can start toggling or using another account for placing order or the functionalities I want to perform for that particular company. I will now move to B2B customer account management. There are many ways that you can create B2B company in bundle B2B. From the storefront, wholesale account creation process to trade application from the storefront. A net new user or any B2C user can apply to become a B2B customer. From here, you can apply for the trade professional application and you can create your new B2B account. I will also show you how once the account is created, how it goes into backend, and under companies, they can review their status as pending. So I've just created one account and I will show you how you can see it under bundle B2B. So here you can see once the account is created, the bundle B2B merchant can go back to backend, and under companies, they can review that account status is pending. Going to that account, merchant can either reject or approve the account for that particular company. Once the account is approved, you can simply go to general and you can enable the price list automatically for that particular company account, or you can also add the manual price list for that account. You can also set up different payment methods for that particular account. In order to customize the trade application from B2B as per your own branding, you can visit developers.bigcommerce.com and you can customize your own B2B trade application form as per your brandings. Now, jumping back to the backend again, you can create the company manually as well, like this. You can just simply go to companies and start creating a new company. Under company, you can fill up all your necessary information and you're good to create your company. In order to see what all the information company is comprises of, just move to any of the company. A company comprises of different type of users, super admin, sales staff, payment methods, address books, and many more. Under company users, there are three major roles that you can add user under for that role. Admin, senior buyer, junior buyer. Under super admin, you can also create a super admin for this particular company, and that super admin can masquerade on behalf of your company. You have different type of sales staff. You have different type of payment methods. Under payment methods, you can set up any payment method that you have for that particular company. Address book. You can set up any default address or new address that you want to use for that particular company account. Now I will show you how user management works. Under users, you can see the list of users. I'll show you now how from the storefront you can create the real-time user. I will just simply log in with the B2B user now. Now I have logged in as a B2B user. Under user management, you can see the list of company users that are associated with that particular company. Here, you can go ahead and create new user as well as you can see the list of users. Let's just go ahead and add one real-time user. You can add any user role for that particular user, admin, senior buyer, or junior buyer. I have just created one user for this, and I will show you how it looks from the backend now. In order to see the user that you have just added from the storefront, just go to backend portal, and under the company that you have added, just open that company. I have just added one new user senior under the role senior buyer, and here you can see the user that I have just added, which is new senior buyer. Likewise, from the backend as well, you can go ahead and add new user. You just need to add up the role and equivalent corresponding information for that particular user, and you're good to go. Now, coming back to the storefront experience, under the addresses, you can see the default billing and default shipping address that you have been set up for that particular company. From here, you can, of course, create a new account and you can set up your default ones over here. Now, I will show you how different B2B ordering tools BigCommerce provides as a part of B2B Edition. I've just logged in as a B2B customer and you can see Quick Order Pad. Going back to Quick Order Pad, you can go ahead and add any of the items directly from cart over here. So there are two ways you can do it over here. Either you can upload it via CSV or you can just go ahead and search for any of the product that you would like to add as a part of quick order. So I'm just checking for one of the product. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and add this to the cart. Done. My quick order for this product has been added to the cart. As I have mentioned before, there are multiple ways that you can order for your product. Under shopping list, you can see the list of products that I have added for that particular shopping list. You can either add a new product or either you can create a new shopping list for your particular order. I can also edit or delete the shopping list that I have already created, or I can also go ahead buying the same shopping list again. Buy again is another ordering tool that you can use as a part of BigCommerce ordering. Here you can see the list of products that you have added previously, and of course you can go ahead and add to cart those products again, and you can also add those products to the shopping list. This is how BigCommerce ordering tool comprises of buy again, shopping list, and many more as a part of ordering tool. I will now give the forum back to Ashish for coding management and invoice and payment management. Thank you. Ashish, over to you.
Thanks, Pooja, for guiding us on the B2B features. Now I will go through other two B2B features, that is B2B quoting management and B2B invoice and payment management. So what is B2B quoting management? I will elaborate you on that. B2B quoting management, what we have a like primary actor in the B2B quoting management is sales representative. What sales representative will do? It will create a quote, or it will build a quote and provide additional saving to the customer. So as a customer, if I want a multiple item, like I want a quote of a multiple item and I need a like good, like you can say good quote or good discount on that. So I will ask the sales representative to provide me that discount and all the things. So what will happen when I will request the quote as a customer? Sales representative will review that from the front end or from the back end. They have a ability to log in from the front end and from the back end as well. So once the sales representative will review, if it's feasible, if it's within a bit discount, it's feasible for the sales representative of the company, what they will do, they will approve the quote. But if that is not possible, they will provide their status that we can do this way. So there will be a status when we create a quote. We have a status like new quote. So you can find that in like when you go to the back end in a B2B app and log in with your sales representative panel. On the left hand side, there will be a quote section. So from there onwards, what you will do, you will review all the quotes. So as a sales representative, the sales representative will review all the quotes from there. Once the sales representative review the quotes and approve it, it will show to the customer that this quote has been approved. And what's the benefit? Like once the sales representative will approve the quote, what will happen? There will be a email notification to the customer. Like there will be some defined templates. I will show you that and also. So there will be some defined templates. So customer, like sales representative, while approving, they can send a notification to the customer also. So customer will know about what was happened with their code, what's the status of their code. So what's the benefits of that code management is? It will reduce the manual operations. It saves time with the manual operation, and it will like if there will be a like automatic process, so it will enhance the customer experience as well, and it will impact within a like marketing strategy. It will improve the marketing strategy as well, and like pricing strategy what we have make it. So it will help us with that also. So with the B2B quoting management, we have a many scenario like in terms of in terms of like benefits, like saves time from the manual operation, marketing strategy. So there are many things. So there will be some roles also defined, like we have a store owner role, or you can say admin role, where they can review the code also, and salesperson can also review the code as a role defined to the user. As a salesperson, they can also review the code. So once the salesperson can view and review or edit the price of the code, they will update the status. If they want to update, they will update the price code. They will update the you can say whatever the quotes they have given. If they want to provide some benefit to the customer, they can provide that. So B2B quote management will come up with the many things to improve the customer experience, to improve the marketing strategy. Other B2B features, that is invoice and payment management. So what will happen? As a user, I can see all the invoices which are pending. I will request for that, but there will be a defined roles in that also. There will be a financial manager role. There will be a accountant role. There will be a store owner, you can say admin role. So what's the financial account management manager can do? They can do the like offline payments as well. They can review the invoices. They can update the invoices. They can do the offline payments as well. And with the accountant, they can only review the invoices. They cannot do the like offline payments. So just for example, if I will allocate it some user as an accountant, so what they can do, they can review the like whatever the invoices they have it, they can review it or they can update it, but they cannot make a offline payments or they cannot do the payments, online payments at their end. But with the financial role or with the store owner or admin role, they can do a online or offline payments also. So that's the benefit of invoice and payment management in B2B. So what will happen with the benefits? Like what's the customer benefit? Like if I have a multiple invoices, so I can request the customer to track their invoice and pay that, or through like emails, through SMS, by communicating with them. And I like as a user, I have the ability, if I have a role defined as a finance, like you can say as a you can say as a financial, so as a financial manager, I can do a offline payments as well, manual payment against an invoice, or you can say all the things. So that should be the benefit. So what's the benefit with that? Saves times in the operations. Second, it should improve the customer experience. It will reduce the complexity. It will like help us to view all the invoice history, like by date, which invoice we have paid it out, which invoice we have pending, which we are already archived, you can say, are already completed. So that's the one of the best feature B2B providing in terms of invoice and payment. So now next I will go with the demo of both that is related to the uh, payment and invoice and payment management, the support management. So I will show you the demo over the website, so you can see how it will impact the B2B impact in this world. Because right now we have a lot of B2B customers in the market, lot of B2B market we have. So this is the best one we have to use. Thank you. So team, I have logged in one of the customer. So you see here, we have codes which is defined either in expired status, either which are ordered in the order status, and which has been new in the new status. So I will show you how it should be going in the back end. Looks like in the back end. So you see invoices and code section here in the user section. All the invoices and codes customer can see. So as a user, how can we can review how it should look like in the back end? So just for example, I have one of the main user, or we have a main store owner. I have logged in with the store owner. So within a store owner, I can see all the codes which are defined. So you see, I have all the codes which are defined it here, which I have created either in the expired status, either in the order status, or you see in the new status. And I will edit it, I will view it, I will duplicate it. As a store owner, I have and admin, I have the permission of all the things. Just for example, I have clicked on the edit. So once I click on the edit, I have this all the things. If you see additional notes, shipping, or custom product, whatever the product we have, and we request it for the code. And based on that, all things are there. If you see this, we have a preview also. So within a preview, you see this the preview. And when we added it, you see the added. So we have a company name, address, search by SKU. So just for example, total percentage, I will increase a discount type. So I have added 20%. So once I have added 20%, okay. So once I added 20%, you see the grand total here. It's updated. Now I can check the preview. Contact information. Now quoted price is 40. And we can then after then, like when we updated the quoted price, we can submit. Right now I have logged in with the store owner. We can log in with the sales representative also for the quote management. So you see this when I submitted, do you want to send email notification? So I have mentioned once we submitted the quotes, we have ability to inform the customer with the email notification. So what's the email ID of that person who have created a code? So if I want to CC someone, you can CC it. What's the subject line? You can mention it. I have predefined template there. If you see predefined template, we can use the predefined template as well, and based on that we can process the code. So once the code is processed in the front end, they can do a order from their things, and based on that we can move ahead with the code section. So once the codes is done, we can see that codes in the order section. So we have a order. When the code is approved, we can check that code in the order section. So it's already like, all it should be in the awaiting payment, it should be payment submitted, or based on the whatever it is. So it's all about code section. Then we as a store owner, I am able to review the invoices related to the every order or every code. So if you see, I have created a order 132. So I have that invoice ID. If you see, I can able to print, I can able to download, can able to email also. So this is the invoice we can review in the back end, where we can update. As a accountant, we can only view the same, but as a financial user, you can make a offline payments as well. So just for example, if I will go with this, you see this customer ID and information. The information is completed, but if it's not completed, I can do a offline payments as well. So with this financial manager and with the store owner or admin, I can do the payment as well. So that's the thing with the invoice and payment stuff for the store owner permission. Some of the thing I will show you with the front end. So what's the front end with thing are there? Like I have used with one of the, like I will show you. I have used one of the admin from the back end. So once I have used admin that information, so you are able to see, I am able to see the invoices and codes. So I'm on the invoices. So as an admin, I can see, review the invoices, whatever the invoices I have it. You see this, 2 are in open state and 1 is paid in the paid state. I have the admin. I have logged in as a financial manager. So as a financial manager, I have the ability to pay also. So when I click on the pay, I will go to the payment page and will do the payment based on the whatever amount I can pay as of now, and go to the checkout procedure and do the payments. That should be done in the payment paid status. But if I don't want to pay as of now full payment, right now I have pending with this amount. So whatever the amount I want to pay, I will go ahead with this. Once the invoice is paid, so you can review that status paid. The same for the codes. Like as a codes, if I will log in as a sales representative, I will see the codes and see the status of codes. Like now I will, if I will approve the code, I will check out the codes information and all the things should be done there. So once I will check out it from here, like just one example, I'm okay with this code. Like I have updated the code. You see now, I have updated the 10% discount and submitted. Now I'm happy with that code. So what I will do, I will go with the view. If I want to view, if I'm okay with that, that's fine. If I'm not okay with that, I will put my message, I need more discount. If they are okay with that, that's fine. Otherwise they will not make it. So if I will right now, I need more discount, that should be visible in the back end for that code. If you see this, I will go to the same code and I need more discount. So based on that, once I will approve it, I will like, I'm happy with this. Just for example, I am happy with this. So I will go to the proceed to checkout. I'm happy with that code. So once I will happy with the code, I will go to proceed to checkout and complete the process. So once I will complete the process, I will say the codes in the order section. And based on that orders, I will able to see the what if there will be a payment waiting or if there will be a full print. It's all about orders. So this is all related to the BigCommerce codes and BigCommerce B2B codes and BigCommerce B2B invoice and payment management. So thank you for that. Over to you, Ibrahim. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish and Pooja, for the wonderful presentation and demo. I would like to quickly touch base on how Royal Cyber can impact your business margin. The impact on your business margin with Royal Cyber is going to be great. If we talk about our expertise, we are certified BigCommerce partners. We have certified experts which are available 24/7 with our flexible support package, with 3 innovation centers and presence in all of the major countries. Both onshore and offshore service model is something we support to provide services to multiple customer entities. We never miss our deadline. We've served many customers and we try to ensure that what we commit is something we deliver. We always provide what we commit. We are one-stop shop for all your IT needs, including BigCommerce, ServiceNow, Salesforce Commerce Cloud, MuleSoft. If you name all of the major technologies which are out there, we provide services on it, and we partner with over 75 plus companies. We provide delivery excellence. We have strong project experience. We've served many customers worldwide, and we provide a standard guidelines that are followed. So you're going to get the best professional services out there. Thank you so much. Now we would head to the question and answers. We will begin by answering the questions as we move into our QA session. And we can just look into the chat window and see what questions do we have, and we would be able to answer them later.